Hi everyone, this is Vaccaro here, wanting to show you how to search for colleges on Scoir. So if you haven't registered, make sure to do that. And as you are exploring the colleges, know there's a lot of different opportunities that Scoir can give you. For example, there are here lists of different visits of campuses that are coming up, right? So you could literally just like, whoa, look, I could go check out, for example, Gettysburg, right? Campus, and click on count me in, to go visit the campus, right? But also here on Scoir, they'll also suggest colleges for you, right? So you can click on here, search a college. It gives you a little bit of a preview for you to look at the school to get some more insight about it. They also show you great opportunity if you want a school that meets full need. Middlebury is an amazing school. And here they show you about different sessions, other conversations to have with current students at Boston College. And wait, how did you get these college preferences? Well, let me show you. It's called the college search, which is right up here. So if I go onto the college search here, I have two options here. There's a preference search where I could just do some basic stuff. Show me some schools that offer theater, right? If I want to say it's nice to have, right, it'll go down here. But if I want to add another feature on there, right, so maybe I want to have something like I want athletics, right? So I'm going to put in basketball, right? And let's say I want to make sure there's women's basketball, and I want there to be, make sure there is Division 1, 2, or 3. I'm going to press save, right? Oh, did you notice my college list changed? Yes. So every time you put a must-have, that means no matter what, if the school doesn't have this, no, don't put it on the list. But if it does, put it on the list. Here on nice to have, you could see that it's okay if some have it, some don't. But if there's something about the school that I don't want, right? So maybe I don't want a school that's super challenging, right? Because I want to make sure that there's some balance. So I could put down that the acceptance rate is, let me change this a little bit. I want there to be some challenge, but not too much, right? On there, right? So let's leave it for the 10-40%. I click save, right? And now, oh, look again. You saw how Cornell was there and then Cornell wasn't there, right? So these are some ways where these schools shows like, look, it got a prize. It meets all my preferences, right? So these highlight schools that meet all the preferences. So if I already know, like maybe I don't know much about this school, but it's up in New York, maybe you're really into New York City, I can click here on my colleges down here. Now they'll still send you other information of schools here on this list of things like, well, hey, if you want a Jesuit school, but it's missing theater, okay, I could add that on there. Also on here, I could also compare some of the schools together, right? So if let's say I wanted to compare some of the schools, that's something I could do. So if I click on compare, over here, I get to see all these different schools and see a little bit comparison sheet, right? Of all the different opportunities from student life, right? This just gives you a quick snapshot of looking at both of the schools, including their financial aid. But if I want to go and maybe do, instead of doing a comparison, I could go right here. There's a virtual tour. Again, here's all this other information that's up there, and then it'll be repeated. Here, there's campus reels showing you students' experience about dorm and food life, right? I even could go in, find general information about majors, and this is one of my favorite. Let's see what's around Hofstra University as well, too. Also, if you really want to see what the scene is on campus, you could click on the wall to see what other information is out there. And hold on, analysis is a great opportunity where to see where past students have gotten in, that's what the green is, and which ones have not. And I could also change this to more recent years, so to give me a little bit of idea, because admission changes every year. Now, if I want to go back to the college search, something else I could do is I could click on advance, right? What does this do, right? So let's just say I want to find civil engineering, right? There's a whole different varieties. Yes, there's a lot of different varieties, but maybe I'm not sure which ones. I'm just going to pick general. And then here I got it's taking my preference list, but then adding it a little bit more advanced, right? So you could see it's showing all these things that are key and important. Now, Common App is an application schools use, but maybe like, well, maybe it doesn't matter. I don't mind. Now I added on some other schools. So this is one way of searching schools. Your college counselors can help you another way, but the key thing is to start. And this is a great starting tool for you to use. And as you see your schools, over here you can start putting the schools that you're following, right? So, and then you can find out even more information, right, from the school. So there's, again, this college overview. You can look at the scattergram, more college sessions. So the key thing is check out a college once a week and enjoy the college process through Scoir.